Hi, I'm Kate. This is my sweetheart, Paul. We are the founders of Rustica Hardware. Welcome to Installing Inspiration.
We're going to show you how to live in art and live inspired. Let's go.
Let's go.
So I don't know about you, but I have spent hundreds of dollars on stud finders that never work. So I have found a $5 solution that always finds my studs. It's a magnet. So all you do is you put that magnet on the wall and you just work it across until, oh, there it is, it sticks. So what the magnet is doing is sticking to the drywall screw. And so I know for sure there's a stud right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that. And then find my next stud. It's right there.